Hey guys, welcome to Gaijin and Subies. I'm Noah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the starter on your GC8. You're going to need to remove the intercooler for this. Then you're going to need to loosen the intercooler to throttle body hose. You're going to loosen the intercooler to bypass valve hose. Disconnect and loosen the turbo compressor outlet to intercooler. Just like that. Next, you're going to remove the intercooler. You're going to want to be really careful with this one. So what I like to do is I like to disconnect the bypass valve hose, and then I like to pull backwards, and then wiggle out the turbo hose. Back and then forward. And there you go. So this is your starter right here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to disconnect this lead right here, and then you're going to have a bolt right here, and then you're going to have one down here. It's going to be a little tricky to get this on camera, but it's right down there. It's directly on the other side of this part of the starter. So here's the old starter that I took out. All I did was I disconnected the electrical leads and the two bolts. You can definitely do it from the top. You're just going to need a extension with your ratchet, and you drop the starter from underneath the car, then you grab it from underneath. Here's the new one that we're going to be installing. So be sure that the part's made up, your spline's made up, that they're the same distance. The motors look almost identical. So last step when you're installing is torquing the mounting bolts right here to 30 foot-pounds. Then you're going to tighten the grounding straps and you're good to go and install the intercooler.